Hello everyone, I'm Akash. In this video, I'm going to discuss one question from TIFR 2016 mathematics exam. Question is, let S be a collection of subsets of set 1 to and so on 100 such that intersection of any two sets in S is non-empty. What is maximum possible cardinality of S? These are the options. So let's begin the solution. Given that S is collection of subsets of this set, they denote this set by A. So S is a collection of AIs such that AI subset of A for every I and intersection of any two sets in S is non-empty. That is intersection of any two AIs, that is AI intersection AJ not equals to phi for every I and J. So this is S. Now we have to find the what is maximum possible cardinality of this set S. By definition of S, clearly each of the AIs contains at least one element common. That is, there exists some element, say K belongs to AI for every I, because as intersection of any two sets in S is non-empty, so there must be at least one element common in all AIs. Otherwise, intersection would be empty. Now, we will show that if cardinality of intersection over AI decreases, then cardinality of S increases. We will show that if the cardinality of intersection over AI decreases, then cardinality of S increases. That is, we will show that if the number of common elements which are common in all AI decreases, then the cardinality of S increases. Let's suppose that cardinality of intersection over AI is 99. That is, there are 99 elements which are common in all AIs. AIs are subset of A. Now, so without loss of generality, let intersection over AI is equals to set 1, 2 and so on 99. As there are 99 elements common in all AI, that is cardinality of intersection over AI is 99, and as each AI is subset of A, so their intersections is also subset of A, and as it has cardinality 99, so we can choose any of the 99 elements. Okay, so we have chosen first 99 elements 1, 2 and so on 99. So we have chosen intersection over AI be a set containing 1, 2 and so on 99. Then possible AIs are A1 equals to set containing 1, 2 and so on 100, A2 equals to 1, 2 and so on 99. So we can see that there is only two possibilities for AI, because in each of the AIs has 99 elements common. If we take any third AI, then that AI must have first 99 elements common. So 1, 2 and so on 99 elements. And so only possibility is this set. So there is only two possibilities of AI. So in this case, if we take cardinality of intersection of AI is 99, then we see that this implies cardinality of S is 2, because cardinality of S is what? Number of AIs. Cardinality of S is number of AIs. So in this case, as there is only two possible AIs, so cardinality of S is 2. In the next case, Now let coordinate of intersection of AI be 98. We decrease the coordinate of intersection of AI. We decrease the coordinate of intersection of AI. Then, so without loss of generality, let intersection of AI be the set 1, 2 and so on 98. As there are 98 elements common in each AI and as each AI is subset of A, so intersection of AI is subset of A, and as intersection of AI has coordinate 98, so we can take any 98 elements from this set. We have chosen first 98 elements. So intersection of AI is set containing 1, 2 and so on 98. Then in this case, possible AIs are, so this implies possible AIs are A1, which is equals to 1, 2 and so on 100. A2 is equals to 1, 2 and so on 99. A3, which is equals to set containing 1, 2 and so on 98. A4, which is equals to set containing 1, 2 and so on 98, 100. So there are only 4 possibilities for AI. You can verify. So if we choose the coordinate of if we take the coordinate of intersection of AI is 98, then there are only 4 possible AIs. So in this case, coordinate of S is number of AIs, as there are 4 AIs. So coordinate of S is 4, that is 2 square. Thus we see from here that if we, in the first case we have taken the coordinate of intersection of AI is 99. In the second case we have taken coordinate of intersection of AI is 98. So if we decrease the coordinate of intersection of AI, then coordinate of S is increases. In the first case the coordinate of S is 2, and in the second case the coordinate of S is 4. Thus we have established our claim, that is, if coordinate of intersection of AI is decreases, then coordinate of S is increases. Coordinate of S is increases. We will use this claim to find the maximum possible coordinate of S. From this claim, we see that S has maximum possible coordinate. S has maximum possible coordinate if coordinate of intersection of AI is minimum. Thus, S have maximum possible coordinate if coordinate of intersection of AI is minimum. That is, if intersection of AI has coordinate 1, it can't be 0, because intersection of any two sets in S, that is intersection of any two AIs, is non-empty. That is, intersection of AI must have at least one element. So the minimum possible coordinate of intersection of AI is 1. As each AI is subset of A, so intersection of AI is also subset of A. So let intersection of AI equals to set containing 1, because it has coordinate 1, so we can choose any one of the elements from this set. So we have chosen first element, that is 1. Say. Thus we see that S has maximum possible coordinate if intersection of AI is singleton set 1. S have maximum possible coordinate if the only common element in all AIs is 1. Hence, S have maximum possible cardinality if sets in S, that is AIs in S, because S is a collection of AIs, that is AIs in S must be or of form AIs in S must be or of form set containing subset of this set adjoint with this set, because each AI must contain this element 1, and so form of AIs must be of form subset of this set adjoint with this set. So for example, form of AIs are of form set containing 1. It can be viewed as subset of this set adjoint with this set. Phi as phi subset of this set union adjoint with this set. Set containing 1, 3 and 4 can be viewed as subset of this set, which is 3, 4 adjoint with this set, because each AI, for S to have maximum possible cardinality, each AI must contain the element 1. Each AI must contain the element 1. So AIs must be or of this form. Thus, overall we have S have maximum possible cardinality if sets in S, that is AIs in S, must be of form subset of this set adjoint with this set. Thus, maximum possible cardinality is number of possible subsets of this set. Maximum possible cardinality of S is number of possible subsets of these sets. So how many subsets of these sets? As it has 99 elements, so number of subsets of these sets is 2 raised to power 99. Thus, as maximum possible cardinality of S is 2 raised to power 99. So answer is option C. Okay. If you found the video interesting and helpful, then please like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.